So Windows removed the previous method of bypassing this menu right here, but here's how to do it anyway. First up, you need to press Shift F10 on your keyboard to open up the terminal. Here you go. Now after you have opened it, there's a very simple command you need to type. So what this will allow you to do is have a local account on your system. So if you are willing to kind of install, like have a Microsoft account either way, then you can just go with the setup process. But if you are like me, installing on a VM, I will not be actively using it. This is the command you need to have a local account logged in. So once you have this interface right here, which you may remember from previous Windows versions, so Windows 10 had this, then you can kind of set it up and you can set a password, and if you just skip that part, it will not set up any type of password, and there we go. Now we have a local account Windows. Now for me personally, again, this is pretty great, and it was pretty, I would say, not cool of Windows to kind of remove that feature. It was like most people did use offline accounts because sometimes you just want to use a system off the grid where you don't want your everything to sync to OneDrive, and there has to be like a reason why people debloat Windows, because it's a bloated system. That's why they debloat it. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You can go ahead with the setup process and it won't ask for any network and stuff. So it won't ask for any accounts or anything. So even after you boot into the system, it should not ask for your Microsoft account, but it will show a pop-up in the settings that will say backup your data with Microsoft account. So make sure to do that if you are again willing to do this on your main system. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel and also leave a like on the video, and even comment down below how you feel about this whole Microsoft being a really bloated system, because Windows XP was really great. It was one of the greatest system of all times. But again, Windows 11 does have a few nice features that are pretty good. Like we take for granted there are a few features. But again, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.